Let's see how to make healthy and instant badam milk powder or almond milk powder where you don't have to soak them or roast them or even peel the skin off from almonds. In a small blending jar, add 1/4 cup of almonds or badam. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pistachios, which is around 20 of them. Now this is optional, but it adds good taste and texture to the milk, adding 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Here I have taken 10 to 15 cardamom or elaichi and removed the outer layer as it may not blend well and we may not get fine powder to mix in the milk. Don't throw the outer layer, you may use it for making tea. Now adding a pinch of kesar or saffron. Then I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now I am adding 1/3 cup of sugar. Now blend them well by initially pulsing it and then blending well till it is finely powdered. It's ready to be stored in airtight container and can be used to make milk whenever required. Now if you are making it in small batch, you don't need to refrigerate them, otherwise please store them in fridge. Now let's see how I make badam milk using this instant powder. I'm adding 2 cups of whole milk here. Now this is completely optional, but I like the texture and crunch it gives to the milk, so I am adding 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds and a tablespoon of chopped pistachios. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of badam milk powder we made and giving it a good mix. It's ready to serve hot or chilled after it boils. Here I am going to cool it down completely and refrigerate them for 2 to 3 hours to serve chilled. While serving, I am adding some more chopped almonds and pistachios. Do try this healthy and instant badam milk powder at home and leave me a comment, like or dislike. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.